So I had a look at that stuff for circle theorems. Hopefully it made sense, but I thought I'd do a question just to give you an idea of how you use some of those circle theorems in quite a complicated setting. So I'm looking at 11.3s, question 7. Again, you might be able to make out the picture on here, but hopefully as I talk you through it, you can listen to what I'm saying, look at this, and maybe look at the question in your book using Kabuda or textbook if you got it. So first of all, it asked me to work out ACD. So ACD creates this angle here. And for this one, I'm simply going to use one of those theorems, alternate segment theorem. So 64 and 64, because this is the alternate segment. If you look at this, two triangles joining there, that looks like that picture of the alternate segment theorem. So ACD is equal to that one, ACD is 64, and the reason is the alternate segment theorem, or ACE. Now I know that's 64, it asks me to work out CAD. So CAD goes from C to A to D. This one, I know this is 64. If you remember that idea of a triangle meeting at a circumference, so when I've got a diameter, I can see this is a diameter because it goes through the centre. Invariably, the centre of a circle is called O, which is what they invariably call it. A bit like the origin when you've got a graph, x equals 0, 0 equals 0, so O for the centre of a circle. So this is the centre, this is the diameter, so that triangle creates a 90-degree angle at the circumference there. That's 90, that's 64. If you add those two up, you get 154. Take 154 off 180, because 180 degrees in a triangle, and you get that CAD is 26 degrees. Make sure you put the degrees on there. The reason for that is that you've got a right angle where these two chords meet the circumference, which creates 90, and we knew that was 64. It then asks you for ADF. So ADF goes down there. So at the moment, I know that this is 90. But also, if you think about one of the earlier rules we looked at for the alternate segment when you're using a chord meeting a tangent, we know that is going to be equal to the angle here, and that one comes out to be ADF 64. This one equals to that one 64. Now, there's two ways I can work at the last one, because the last one it asked me for is CDE. CDE. I could either use the fact that I know this is 64, I know this is 90, add up to 154, so on the straight line, which is 180, I've got 26 left, or again, I can use that alternate segment theory with a chord, so that must be the same as that, so that and that are both 26. Alright, quick run through, hopefully that will help you see one of the complicated questions. I'm not doing any more for you because you're at home and be doing online work. Get ready for those GCSEs that will happen in 2021. Right, I've got one more video to do to cover chapter 11. That's going to be loci and construction. Hopefully I'll be uploading that in about 20-30 minutes.